Hi, I'm Max Younger, inventor of the Air-Crutch. This is our latest innovation in mobility. We took the standard crutch and we reinvented the 3 points of contact, so the upper part, the handle, and the tips, to give you the best experience possible. For the Air-Crutch, we focused on reinventing the main pain points that exist in the standard crutch. For this, we built a underarm pad that is an air bladder. You can see here it squishes really well. So we rethought the handle so that it's actually on an angle instead of straight across, because your wrist is actually at an angle when it's in your grip position. So this angle allows less pressure on your wrists and disperses the pressure across the palm of your hand. The air tip is rethought so that it actually conforms really well. It squishes and deforms to the ground as you walk. And then the treads on the bottom are designed to disperse water. You can see there's tiny little nubs on the edge and the large circles in the center to help grip onto various types of surfaces throughout your house or outside. Inside the box, we have the upper and lower sections. The upper section has the air pads and the handle with a soft grip, as well as the air tips down below. When you start to assemble your crutch, you can take the handle grip off by removing the wing nut from the end, counterclockwise, rotating this off. Set it on the table, pull this out. So this is the rod that goes through all the way to connect one side of the upright to the other. So slide it until you'll see here on the edge, there's little arrows here and here. They line up with the holes here and here. There's 2 little arrows on either end. You can align for your position. For adjusting the height range of the upper section, you can push each snap button on each side like this and slide it down until it clicks into place. You should hear an audible click, just like that. On the lower leg area, we're gonna depress the snap button on either side. It's a double-sided snap button, and you can rotate it and you can slide it down to your height range. For assembling the 2 pieces together, we're going to align the upper and lower sections into the tube holes. And these are actually noise-reducing fittings so that they don't squeak or rattle. So you can push the snap buttons left and right, like so, and then push into place. So we're gonna adjust the height first by taking out the handle. You can push this button and this snap button here. This would be the medium height, and you can go one higher. So that's full height. Handle height, you really wanna have your elbow bent just slightly. You don't want it to be fully straight, and you don't want it to be, bent like this. You want it to be bent just a little bit of an angle. For the correct height adjustment, you want to make sure that your height allows for enough room for about the width of your palm between the pad and your underarm. It's really about squeezing side to side between your bicep and your rib cage versus putting all your weight on your underarm. Now that your Air-Crutch is set up and sized correctly, you're ready to move forward to make every step of your recovery easier. Thank you for watching.